Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the poem by John Keats, La Bella Damson's Mercy. Before going to know this poem, we will talk about this man, very major figure of romantic period. He lived just 26 years, but still he became very famous as a poet. He died because of tuberculosis, but he left many memorable poems, as you may know: Ode on a Grecian Urn, On Beauty, Ode to a Nightingale, Ode to Autumn, Lamia, The Eve of Saint Agnes. So many poems. He was very popular as a romantic poet. So this poem, La Bella Damson's Mercy, we are going to talk about. Firstly, I will read the whole poem. Oh, what can ail thee, night at arms, alone and palely loitering? The sedges has withered from the lake, and no birds sing. Oh, what can ail thee, night at arms, so haggard and so begone? The squirrel's granary is full, and the harvest done. I see a lily on thy brow, with anguish moist and fever dew, and on thy cheeks a fading rose fast withered too. I met a lady in the midst, full beautiful, a fairy child. Her hair was long, her foot was light, and her eyes were wild. I made a garland for her head, and bracelets too, and fragrant zone. She looked at me as she did love, and made sweet moan. I set her on my pacing steed, and nothing else, so all day long, for sidelong would she bend and sing a fairy song. So this is the half part of the poem. Firstly, we will see La Bella Damson's Mercy. If you look at the title of the poem, mercy, as we say mercy, the spelling is different. Sans means without. It is a French title. Sans in French you find without. तर सांचा अर्थ होतो त्याशिवाय. Belly, belly means beautiful. Dame, dame means girl. So a beautiful girl without mercy, that we are going to see. So this is actually based on a French song. It is written in the form of a ballad. So we will connect two parts together here. This poem, I will tell in short what is in the poem. This poem is very simple. It is a love poem, you can say. Narrative poem, open to many interpretations. There is a lot of mystery and enigma in the portrayal of the story. So if you look at the beginning of the what can ail thee, night at arms, alone. So there is a knight, ek sardar आहे, who is found on top of the hillside, जो टेकडीवर आहे. And the knight has to tell one story. तर त्या नाईटला, त्या सरदारला एक स्टोरी सांगायची आहे. The story is how he was trapped by a wicked maiden. तर त्याला सांगायचे की एका स्त्रीनं त्याला कसं फसवलं. एक दुष्ट स्त्री, ज्याला वाटली की फार सुंदर सामंजस अशी स्त्री आहे. But she was a wicked girl who took him to her arbor and lulled him to sleep. जिनं त्याला घेऊन गेलं आणि झोपी घातलं. तर it has been used for her La Bella Damson's Mercy. तर तिच्यासाठीच ती अशी मुलगी की जिला दया मया नाही, जिनं फार सरदारला फार त्रास दिलेला आहे, त्यासाठीच टायटल दिलेलं आहे. And when he wakes up from his sleep, he finds himself all alone on the hillside. तर ॲट द बिगिनिंग तुम्हाला दिसतंय पोएममध्ये, अलोन अँड पेली लॉयटरिंग, मी कुठेतरी आलेलो आहे. द सेज हॅज विदर्ड फ्रॉम द लेक अँड नो बर्ड सिंग, पक्षीसुद्धा गात नाहीत. काय झालं नेमकं? So haggard and so begone, the squirrel granary is full and the harvest is done. I see a lily on thy brow, with anguish moist and fever dew, and on thy cheeks a fading rose fast withered too. तर सुंदर वातावरण होतं, त्याला आठवतं नेमकं काय झालेलं आहे. त्याने एका लेडीला पाहिलं. आय मेट अ लेडी इन द मेड्स, जंगलामध्ये पाहिलं. फुल ब्युटिफुल, अ फेरी चाइल्ड, ती फार सुंदर होती, जसे की परींची मुलगी होती. हर हेअर वॉज लॉंग, तिचे केस लांब होते. हर फूट वॉज लाईट, हळूहळू चालत होती. अँड हर आईज वर वाईल्ड, पण तिच्या जे डोळे होते ते वाईल्ड होते. आय मेड अ गार्लँड फॉर हेड, तर सरदारनं काय केलं, तिच्यासाठी एक गार्लँड, हार बनवला. अँड ब्रासलेट टू, परत ब्रासलेट सुद्धा बनवलं. अँड अ फ्रॅग्रंट झोन, शी लुक्ड ॲट मी ॲज शी डीड लव, त्याला वाटलं की ती त्याच्यावर प्रेम करते. शी मे लव हर, लव हिम. अँड मेड स्वीट मोन, शी केम नियर अँड शी मेड हिम स्लीप. I set her on my pacing steed and nothing else saw. All day long for sidelong would she bend and sing a fairy song. तर तिनं त्याला झोपवलं, ललबाई गाणं गात झोपवलं. आणि शेवटी तो पाहतो तर ही वेक्स अप फ्रॉम हिज स्लीप, ही फाइंड्स हिमसेल्फ ऑल अलोन हिलसाइड. तर टेकडीवर त्याला सोडलेलं आहे. तर हेच कारण आहे की तो टेकडीवर आहे. देर इज लॉट लेफ्ट टू द रीडर्स इमॅजिनेशन. नेमकं काय झालं? व्हॉट वॉज द लेडीज इंटेन्शन, व्हॉट शी डीड, हाऊ शी वॉज, तर या सगळ्या गोष्टी तो विचार करतोय. हाऊ शी इन्फ्लुअन्स द नाईट. So this is the experience of love actually, which is experienced by John Keats. He got also betrayal in his love. त्याला सुद्धा नकार मिळाला. The loss of freedom that goes along with love is clearly hinted at. तर लवच्या मागे गेल्यानंतर आपल्याला फ्रीडम राहत नाही, आपण कुणाचे तरी गुलाम होतो. So that is the poem. It has been talked. Throughout the poem, you may come to know different aspects of the poet as well as the different angle of love you find by John Keats. तर वेगवेगळा अँगल तुम्हाला पाहता येतो. जॉन किट्स रोमॅन्टिक पोएट आहे. He specifically talks about love. John Keats, he was born in 1795 and died 1821. He is considered one of the major English romantic poet. He is influenced by Spenser, William Shakespeare and Milton. If you look at his poetry, it blends romantic with philosophical. One of the main figures of the second generation of romantic poets you find. He is very famous. He has written many letters to his sister, now seen as a key figure of romantic movement. His works have greatly influenced later writers. Keats is well known for his famous odes such as Ode, as I said earlier, Ode on a Grecian Urn, Ode to Nightingale, Ode to Autumn. So this your poem is also very famous. Label Adams's Mercy is one of the famous poem written by him in the form of ballad. So this is in the form of ballad. So through this poem we come to know that how the lady troubles the night, how the night is troubled by her. She found me roots of relish, sweet and honey, wild and manna, dew and sure in language strange. She said, I love thee true. तर पुढे जाऊन नाईट सांगतोय की त्याला वाटले की ती फार चांगली आहे. शी ऑल्सो सेज आय लव्ह दी ट्रू, मी खरंच तुझ्यावर प्रेम करते असं ती सांगते. शी टूक मी टू एल्फिन ग्रॉट, असं म्हणून ती त्याला जंगलामध्ये घेऊन जाते, गुहेमध्ये घेऊन जाते. एल्फिन ग्रॉट मीन्स केव. अँड देअर शी वेप्ट अँड साइड फुल सोर, आणि ती रडायला लागते. नाईटला वाटतं ती खरंच रडते. And there I shut her wild, wild eyes with kisses for, and he kissed her. And there she lulled me asleep. Again she made him sleep. तिने त्याला झोपवलं. And there I dreamed. Who betide the latest dream I ever dreamed on the cold hillside. I saw pale kings and princes too, pale warriors, death pale were they all, they cried. तर हा माझा एकट्याचा अनुभव नव्हता, तर it was the experience of all. Knights, kings, princes. It was the La Belle Damsel's mercy, the lady without mercy. ती एक अशी स्त्री होती की जिला दया माया काही नाही. I saw their starved lips in the gloom with horrid warning gaped wide, and awoke and found me there on the cold hillside. And शेवटी मला इथं आणून सोडलेलं आहे. This is why I sojourn here alone and palely loitering. त्यामुळेच मी इकडं पडलेलो आहे, इकडं मी वॉन्डरिंग फिरत आहे, भटकत आहे, मला त्रास होत आहे. Though the sage is withered from the lake and no bird sing. इकडे तिकडे ग्रास आहे पण पक्षी काही दिसत नाही. So here ends the poem. So through this poem, John Keats wants to say the betrayal of the beloved to the lover. बऱ्याचदा आपल्याला असं वाटतं की only boys betray to the girls, but sometimes it may happen the girls may betray the boys as well. So love is very complex matter. As we see, it never is there. It is not the same as we look, as we see, or as we see. Love is blind, as it is truly said by Shakespeare. So here ends the poem La Belle Damsel's Mercy by John Keats. Thank you.